right, we're back here, Tricked Out Cycles, and we have two seat cowls. These are from a Gen 2 and a Gen 1 Hayabusa. What we've done is cut a section out, right out the center, where we're gonna make the logo actually light up through the paint. First part is removing the area that we want to have transparent, and then we'll build it up and we're gonna show you how this is done. Haven't done these in a few years, so customer asked us, so we're gonna do one, and then we got another one right after. So we're gonna check out the process, start to finish. If you like this type of stuff, let us know. We do offer our services, or we offer tutorials just like this one here. So stay tuned and check it out. All right, back with an update on the seat cowl. So the areas are cut out. The original piece that is the original shape is there, covered in yellow protection film. And now the first coat of clear epoxy is applied in. So you can see it puddling up and over. We'll have to add a little bit more into each side, then we'll unpeel it and show you what we got. All right, check in on the seat cowl. Very hard to tell here, but that whole section there is clear. Now it is smooth, so there's no transfer over. We'll prime this up and then we will get our logo on there and do some backlight. So just a little update. You can check it over here. You can see how it's looks a little cloudy just from sanding on it, so it's more of a white, and that will actually give you even light flow. But there it is. Light up seat cowl. Step 2. And this is a 9907, and we have a 2008 to 2021. Yeah, anyway, Gen 2 and a Gen 1. All right, stay tuned. Seat cowl is prepped. Clear section. Looks yellow now because it's taped on the back. Stencils on, and we're gonna paint. Put some sealer on there, primer. Black it out so the light that shines behind it will not come through the paint in anywhere but the light up section. That is a must. Cannot forget the black out stage, no matter what color it's being painted. All right, and then we'll show you the final effect. Stay tuned. Here is the final look of the Gen 1 light up seat cowl. This has a multicolor RGB light inside, so the logo will illuminate in whichever color you select via the remote or using the Bluetooth app off your phone. So there you have it. We'll just do a quick color change manually here, but this will go hundreds of different color options using the remote and the Bluetooth key fob. So check it out, Tricked Out Custom Cycles, for all your motorcycle needs.